Heal and root, healing the future from the root.
Good morning. Today is Thursday, February 5th, 2026. Energy guidance. Today's hexagram, Heaven-Earth obstruction. From the I Ching, hexagram 12 has Heaven, Qian, above Earth, Qian. Heaven and Earth do not interact, representing blockage and stagnation. Hexagram insight. The essence is obstruction, separation, and impediment. Coming immediately after hexagram Tai, peace, it suggests that when things reach their peak of smoothness, complacency or negligence can lead to disconnection and difficulty. This embodies the dialectic. When peace reaches its extreme, obstruction follows. When obstruction reaches its extreme, peace returns. It advises that in times of difficulty, first, restrain sharpness and cultivate inner calm, avoiding rash action. Maintain your core principles, resisting the pressures of superficial trends or unfair circumstances without compromise. And finally, embrace the possibility of transformation, keeping optimism and patience while awaiting the return of favorable conditions. Heaven and earth may favor or oppose. Yet all things follow the wise and the dull alike. Today in history. On February 5, 1994, Zhiguang, a pioneer of modern textile industry and a proletarian revolutionary, passed away. He helped establish China's textile machinery manufacturing system, meeting the demands of large-scale national development and enabling comprehensive growth in cotton, wool, hemp, and silk industries, earning him the title of Modern Zhongjian. Qian advocated a dual development strategy of natural and synthetic fibers, introduced advanced foreign technologies, and oversaw the construction of major synthetic fiber production facilities, including Shanghai Petrochemical, Asian Chemical Fiber, Liaoyang Petrochemical, Tianjin Petrochemical, and Sichuan Vinylan plant of Sinopec Group, propelling China to become a leading global power in the synthetic fiber industry.